Hello everyone. Today we are going to do 1000 MCQ in parasitology microbiology, and these MCQs are divided into 20 sets from A to T, and each set include 50 MCQs question. So let's start from set A. Question number 1. On the basis of light and electron microscopy, the protozoa are currently classified into option A 4 phyla, option B 5 phyla, option C 6 phyla, option D 7 phyla, and the answer is option C 6 phyla. Question number 2. The most common form of asexual reproduction in protozoa is called as option A binary fission, option B multiple fission, option C both, and option D none. And the answer is option A binary fission. Question number 3. All protozoa require organic materials which may be particulate or in solution. Such type of nutrition is called option A holozoic, option B saprozoic, option C both, and option D none. And the answer is option A holozoic. Question number 4. Protozoal parasites belong to class Rhizopoda are characterized by having option A cilia, option B flagella, option C cyst, or option D Rhizopoda. And the correct answer is option D Rhizopoda. Question number 5. Amoebic dysentery in man and human is caused by option A Entamoeba coli, option B Entamoeba gingivalis, option C Entamoeba histolytica, or option D none. And the correct answer is option C Entamoeba histolytica. Question number 6. Amoebic liver abscesses is the most common form of option A extraintestinal amoebiasis, option B pulmonary amoebiasis, option C cutaneous amoebiasis, or option D all above. And the answer is option A extraintestinal amoebiasis. Question number 7. Non-pathogenic species of genus Entamoeba occurs commonly in human mouth is option A Entamoeba coli, option B Entamoeba gingivalis, option C Entamoeba hartmanni, or option D none. And the correct answer is option B Entamoeba gingivalis. Question number 8. Protozoal parasites belong to class Mastigophora are characterized by having option A cilia, option B flagella, option C cyst, or option D rhizopoda. And the answer is option B flagella. Question number 9. Protozoan parasite required hematin obtained from blood hemoglobin for aerobic respiration are called A heterogeneous, B hemoflagellates, option C both, or option D none. And the correct answer is option B hemoflagellates. Question number 10. Metronidazole is the drug of choice for option A amoebiasis, option B trypanosomiasis, Option C, giardiasis. Option D, trichomoniasis. And the correct answer is option A, amoebiasis. Question number 11. Trypomastigote stage of trypanosoma usually found in option A, invertebrate host, option B, vertebrate host, option C, both, or option D, none. And the answer is option B, vertebrate host. Question number 12. Epimastigotes stage of trypanosoma usually found in option A, invertebrate host, option B, vertebrate host, option C, both, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option B, vertebrate host. Question number 13. Species of trypanosome develop in the interior portion of the insect gut are called as option A, Storchoraria, option B, Salivaria, option C, both, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option B, Salivaria. Question number 14. Species of trypanosome develop in the posterior portion of the insect gut are called as option A, Storchoraria, option B, Salivaria, option C, both, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option A, Storchoraria. Question number 15. In human beings, trypanosoma brucei caused a disease called as option A, African trypanosomiasis, option B, sleeping sickness, option C, both, or option D, nagana. And the correct answer is option D, nagana. Question number 16. In animals, trypanosoma brucei caused a disease called as option A, African trypanosomiasis, option B, sleeping sickness, option C, both, or option D, nagana. And the correct answer is option D, nagana. Question number 17. Common name of Glossina species is option A, TCTC fly, option B, horsefly, option C, both, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option A, TCTC fly. Now, question number 18. Biological vector of sleeping sickness is TCTC fly, horsefly, option C, housefly, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option A, TCTC fly. Question number 19. Swelling of the lymph node in African trypanosomiasis is called as option A, winter bottom sign, option B, spring bottom sign, option C, both, or option D, none. And the correct answer is option C. That is the swelling of the lymph node in African trypanosomiasis is called as both winter bottom signs and spring bottom sign. Question number 20. Trypanosoma equipartum caused disease in equines called as option A, nagana, option B, Dowrin, option C, Sura, or option D, Muri. And the correct answer is option B, Dowrin. And now question number 21. Taurine in equines is transmitted by option A, insect biting, option B, contaminated food, option C, both, or option D, coitus. And the correct answer is option D, coitus. Coitus is also known as sexual intercourse. Question number 22. Sura in animal is caused by option A, Trypanosoma brucei, option B, Trypanosoma cruzi, option C, Trypanosoma evansi, or option D, Trypanosoma equi. And the correct answer is option C, Trypanosoma evansi. Now question number 13. The test used to detect raised level of IgG and IgM in Trypanosoma evansi infected individuals is the option A, thymol turbidity test, option B, card agglutination test, option C, mercury chloride test, or option D, formal gel test. And the answer is option D, formal gel test. Question number 24. Trypanosoma species can be cultured in vitro on a number of medium, including option A, N medium, option B, Winman's medium, option C, both, or option D, none. And the answer is option C, both. That is, NNN medium and Winman's medium can be used to culture Trypanosoma species in vitro. Question number 25. Sura in animal can be diagnosed by option A, thymol turbidity test, option B, card agglutination test, option C, mercury chloride test, or option D, all above. And the correct answer is option D, all above. That is, in Sura, there's thymol turbidity test, card agglutination test, and mercury chloride test can be used to diagnose Sura in animal. Question number 16. IgG and IgM level raised in parasitic infections like option A, malaria, option B, leishmaniasis, option C, schistosomiasis, or option D, all above. And the correct answer is option D, all above. Now the question number 27. Maldi cadras is a fatal, usually chronic disease of equines caused by option A, Trypanosoma equinum, option B, Trypanosoma congolensis, option C, Trypanosoma evansi, or option D, all above. And the correct answer is option A, Trypanosoma equinum. Question number 28. Paragona in cattle and other animals is an acute fatal disease caused by option A, Trypanosoma equinum, option B, Trypanosoma congolensis, option C, both, or option D, Trypanosoma evansi. And the correct answer is option B, Trypanosoma congolensis. Now question number 29. Soma, a disease of cattle, sheep, goat and horses, is caused by option A, Trypanosoma evansi, option B, Trypanosoma equinum, or option C, Trypanosoma congolensis, or option D, Trypanosome vivax. And the correct answer is option D, Trypanosome vivax. Question number 30. Chagas disease can be diagnosed by option A, genodiagnosis, option B, thymol turbidity test, option C, both, or option D, mercury chloride test. And the correct answer is Option A. Genodiagnosis. Question number 31. American trypanosomiasis is transmitted by option A. Kissing bug, option B. Tissue fly, option C. Both, or option D. Horsefly. And the correct answer is option A. Trypanos kissing bug. Question number 32. Trypanosoma melophagium is transmitted cyclically in the hindgut by the civet called option A. Stomachis calcitran, option B. Molophagus ovinus, option C. Both, or option D. None. And the correct answer is option B. Molophagus ovinus. Now, question number 33. Which of the following drug is effective against Trichomonas vaginalis? Option A. Penicillin, option B. Streptomycin, option C. Metronidazole, or option D. Pentamidine. And the correct answer is option C. Metronidazole. Question number 34. Which of the following classes of immunoglobulins is important in immunity to Trichomonas vaginalis? Option A. IgA, option B. IgG, option C. IgE, or option D. IgM. And the correct answer is option A. IgA. Question number 35. Trichomonads are the member of which phylum of Protozoa? Option A. Sarcomastogophora, option B. Epicomplexa, option C. Celiophora, or option D. Microspora. And the correct answer is option A. Sarcomastogophora. Question number 36. Trichomonas gallini is transmitted by which of the following route? Option A. Sexually, option B. Oral, option C. Aerosol, or option D. Direct contact. And the correct answer is option A. Sexually. Question number 37. How long after infection with Trichomonas vaginalis do clinical symptoms begin? Option A. Less than 24 hours, option B. 1 to 5 days, option C. 5 to 10 days, or option D. 1 to 4 weeks. And the correct answer is option D. 1 to 4 weeks. Question number 38. How many families are there in the order Pyroplasmida? And option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, or option D 4. And the correct answer is option D 4. Question number 39. Which of the following species is responsible for East Coast fever ECF? Option A Theileria hirci, option B Theileria parva, option C Babsia bovis, or option D Theileria mutans. And the correct answer is option B Theileria parva. Question number 40. Which of the following species is responsible for Texas cattle fever TCF? Option A Theileria sargenti, option B Theileria annulate, option C Babsia bigemina, or option D Babsia bovis. And the correct answer is option C Babsia bigemina. Question number 41. Which of the following clinical symptoms is not normally present in Babesia infection? Option A, anemia. Option B, lymphadenopathy. Option C, hemoglobinuria. Or option D, jaundice. And the correct answer is option C, hemoglobinuria. Question number 42. Which of the following stages is not present in both the life cycle of Babesia and Theileria? Option A, sporozoid. Option B, merozoid. Option C, ray bodies. Or option D, macrocyst. And the correct answer is option A, sporozoid. Question number 43. Species of Babesia termed large are usually over what size? Option A, 1 micrometer. Option B, 2 micrometers. Option C, 3 micrometers. Or option D, 4 micrometers. And the correct answer is option A, 1 micrometers. Question number 44. Which of the following species has been reported to cause fatal infection in splenectomized humans? Option A, Babesia divergens. Option B, Babesia microcoti. Option C, Babesia bovis. Or option D, Babesia bigemina. And the correct answer is option D, Babesia bigemina. Question number 45. Giardia lambda is usually transmitted by option A, ingestion of contaminated food or water. Option B, intermediate host. Option C, both. Or option D, none. And the correct answer is option A, ingestion of contaminated food or water. Question number 46. Trophozoite of Giardia lambda have option A, 2 flagella. Option B, 4 flagella. Option C, 5 flagella. Or option D, 6 flagella. And the correct answer is option A, 2 flagella. Question number 47. Giardiasis can be diagnosed by option A, duodenal biopsy. Option B, enterotest. Option C, both. Or option D, none. And the correct answer is option C, that is both duodenal biopsy and enterotest. Question number 48. Giardia trophozoites exhibit a characteristic option A, teardrop shape. Option B, pear shape. Option C, both. Or option D, flag shape. And the correct answer is option C, both, that is teardrop shape and pear shape. Question number 49. Giardia trophozoites contain option A, 1 nucleus. Option B, 2 nuclei. Option C, 3 nuclei. Or option D, 4 nuclei. And the correct answer is option B, 2 nuclei. Question number 50 and the last question of our set A. A unique ultrastructural features of Giardia is the adhesive disc, also called as option A, ventral disc. Option B, stocking disc. Option C, sucker. Or option D, all above. And the correct answer is option D, all above. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel.